Hello mga chingu! Welcome back to my channel. So, today, we're going to read sentences. So, how to read sentences ba? So, the final consonant is pronounced linked when it meets a vowel. So, ano ibig sabihin? Let me give you an example. The correct spelling is pap-ul. Your pronunciation though, sabi niya, the final consonant is pronounced linked when it meets the vowel. So, ang pronunciation niya is pabul. I-substitute ng final consonant ang no sound na consonant. So, rule, the final consonant will be read in the next syllable if it follows iyong, yung no sound na consonant. Okay, so pap-ul ang correct spelling, but the pronunciation is pabul. Okay, rule. The final consonant will become medial. So, from final, di ba, pap-ul, from P, magiging B po siya. So, you pronounce it as pabul. From final to medial ang consonant. Again, do not change the spelling, change the pronunciation. Okay, another example. The correct spelling is mok o yo, but the pronunciation, it will become mogoyo. The pronunciation is mogoyo, but the spelling is mok-oyo. Ang K na final becomes medial in the pronunciation. K will become G. So, mogoyo. Next, it-o-yo. The pronunciation though becomes isoyo. Ang SS, T siya sa final, but medial, SS pa rin siya i-pronounce, so isoyo, not it-oyo. Mogoyo, ibig sabihin it, and isoyo, ibig sabihin meron or have. Okay, rule. If the syllable is double final consonant, the first consonant is read in the first syllable, and the second is read in the next syllable. Okay, so the correct spelling is like this. Ik-o-yo. Okay, so ang rule, ang isa maiiwan, the second consonant, pronounce it in the next syllable. So you read it as il-go-yo. The first consonant maiiwan sa first syllable. Ang second na consonant, you will pronounce it in the next syllable. Okay, so let us review your consonants and vowels first. If you haven't memorized it, because pag hindi mo siya alam, then mahirapan ka talagang mabasa yung mga words. Okay, so P initial, B medial, P final, JJT, TDT, K initial, G medial, K final, SST. Letter M, kahit saan mo makita, letter M, MMM, N, silent, and NG. RRL, R initial, R medial, L final. Letter H, HT, letter K, letter T, CH, CHT, and letter P. PP, JJ, TT, KK, SS, SST. So initial SS, medial SS, final is letter T. Okay, so I hope you memorized your consonants. So Importance is your K. Always mo siya makita. KGK. Remember that you change. PBP. Your T. D. T. Your SSSST. Your JJT. The letter R. RRL. Okay, so for the vowels naman, we memorize the sound value, kung ano po yung narinig natin. Remember, Tagalog na pagbasa. So, A, E, I, O, U. E, O, U, Ya, Ye. Yo, you, ye, yo. Wa, we, we, wo. We, and we. Okay, so memorize your consonant vowels. Let's go to another example of reading the sentences. Okay, the correct spelling is hal, a, bo, g. The pronunciation though, okay, ang letter R, you pronounce it in the next syllable, it will become medial, haraboji. Spelling is halaboji, but the pronunciation is haraboji. Next, hanbuk-o. You pronounce it as hangugo. So, Hanguk, ibig sabihin Korea. Hangugo, Korean. Korean language. Iba po yung Korean na tao ha. Iba yung ibig sabihin nito. Hangugo, Korean. So, haraboji, ibig sabihin grandfather. Hangugo is Korean. Okay, another example. The correct spelling is jeep, eh. The pronunciation though becomes, okay, B will become medial, so it will become B. So, jibe. The pronunciation is jibe. The spelling though is jeep, eh. Next, iren, I. The pronunciation though becomes iremi. Pronounce M in the next syllable. Iremi, ibig sabihin name. Iram means name. Ang I is your marker. I will explain later on kung ano po yung mga marker. Jibe, ibig sabihin in the house. Iremi, ibig sabihin name. Okay, another example. Double final consonant. So, ik, oyo. You read this one as ilgoyo. Next, shil o yo. You pronounce this as shiroyo. One H, almost silent na yung H. So, shiroyo. Okay, ilgoyo, ibig sabihin read. Reading, nagbabasa. Shiroyo, ibig sabihin don't like. Shiroyo, shiro. Okay, another example. So, an-ayo. The pronunciation though is anjayo. First consonant, may iwan. Ang second consonant, you pronounce it in the next syllable. Anjayo. Anjayo, ibig sabihin sit or sit down. Okay, next, you read this one as correct. Muri. Mul, ibig sabihin water. Next, shipoyo. Mul is water. Shipoyo, ibig sabihin want to. or gusto, want to do, something like this. Next, munil. Next one. Correct. Ape. So, moon is door. And up, ibig sabihin, front. Correct. Padayo or dadayo. Juwayo. Dadayo, ibig sabihin close, sarado, and juwayo, ibig sabihin like. Okay, so let's read this sentence. Just romanize first if you don't know how to read, you don't know your consonants. So this is PAANO 읽으십시오. Ibig sabihin, read the following. Okay, next. 창문을 닫으세요. 창문 means window. 닫으세요 is please close. Ang ul is your marker. So please close the window. 창문을 닫으세요. Next. Okay. 제게 이름을 쓰세요. Check ibig sabihin book. Irum is name. And susayo ibig sabihin please write. Ang ul is your marker. So write your name on the book. 제게 이름을 쓰세요. Okay, next. 물을 마시고 싶어요. Okay, 물을 마시고 싶어요. 물 ibig sabihin water. Mashi is drink. And 싶어요 ibig sabihin want to. So I want to drink water. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you memorize your consonants and vowels because it's very easy to read and write the Hangul if memorize mo po siya. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you learned a lot. So thank you sa lahat po ng nag-subscribe and please like my videos as well. So share the good news. Korean language is for free now. 감사합니다. Thank you.